We got some Instagram news here. Apparently now, I mean, they're leaning into this thing about having paid subscribers for exclusive content, which is the future, where you can have like experiences that I guess are tighter knit, where you would have
like OnlyFans.
I didn't want to say that. I don't know what their rules are around the type of content, but ultimately, more ways for creators to make money, which is going to keep them publishing, which is going to keep people on these platforms. I mean, you can see how it all goes. Now, up until now, what you could have is subscriber-only stories, but you couldn't have subscriber-only feed posts. And now what they're doing is they're letting you have that. So you can put up a feed post. You can have your entire feed be protected for only those who have a special badge who are paying you whatever the cost of your subscription, anywhere from 99 cents to $99.99. You get that purple badge. And then what that's going to do is unlock from whoever you're supporting, your favorite creator or otherwise, unlock whichever feed post that they decide to put behind this paid subscription. So aside from stories and feed posts, creators can also go live exclusively with their subscribers. And there's a new feature just announced that will let them chat via a group DM with up to 30 subscribers simultaneously. That's a pretty big group chat. I don't know the biggest group chat that you're a part of. Do you have any that are up to 30?
Blue Later Discord?
Oh, right. Okay. I don't know if is Discord count as a group chat? I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess. It's tough, right? In your personal life, I think once you get past like 10 or a dozen,
yeah, it gets messy.
It's pretty hard to follow what's going on. But maybe in this case, with everybody has like shared interests, and you don't have to have 30. It says up to 30. But either way, Instagram wants to compete with the variety of services that are attracting talent. You mentioned OnlyFans. I guess Twitter has different paid subscription features at this point as well. And we've seen some of the limitations with the ad model for companies like Instagram. They need to quickly figure out more revenue for themselves too, because you saw Zuckerberg talking about having to fire people and Apple cutting into billions of dollars worth of ad revenue because now the privacy settings on iPhone and things like this. Well, if you go this route and and all the creators are doing the work of selling the subscriptions and you're getting a cut from it, all of a sudden you got this revenue from elsewhere. So it's amazing to me because you had Patreon way before, and now you have that same model popping up all over the place, where smaller groups of people can maintain a community without a necessarily enormous following. You know what I'm saying? And without a ton of advertising, they can go this route with it. I don't know for how long. That's one thing I often think about is, okay, so this person builds a business based on having a real tight-knit group of subscribers who are paying. For how long? You know, do people keep their subscription forever? 6 months? Do they move on to other things they become interested in? It's all curious. But I guess you could say the same even in an ad model.